In today's video, I'm going to talk about how network marketing can actually change your life. And I'm going to talk based on my personal life, on my experiences, and how I've seen other leaders and people from different companies in my company, how they have actually grown and impacted other people's life. So if you are looking on how network marketing can impact your life, the power of network marketing, or how you can change people in the community based on their mindset, based on entrepreneurship journey, then stay around as I'm going to talk about the benefits or why you need to know that network marketing can actually change your life. As I start, network marketing is a business model that involves the word of word or mouth-to-mouth business in terms of you market a product or a service by just using your mouth or using a social media means, and therefore if someone has to buy the product or the service from you, then there is a commission that you're going to earn. So what you just need to learn is how do network marketing works and how are you going to make your commission. So without wasting much time, let's look at how network marketing can impact your life, or it can actually change the way you have been viewing other business compared to network marketing. One, network marketing can actually change your financial and lead you to have that financial independence. Now, if you build very well this business, you are going to achieve that financial freedom by creating a passive income. This can lead you to have a higher standards of living, maybe can change ability to pursue other passions, or even have that freedom from having the financial worries. Remember, this is a business. If you are going to build it very well and follow the steps that are required for you to build a successful network marketing business, then it is going to give you an opportunity to have that financial independence. Secondly, is when you come to personal development. Now, if you look at how network marketing operates, it often involves training and personal development programs, which enhances someone's skills. Like, for example, you need to learn on how this business works, you need to learn on how to relate or talk to other people, and these are some of the things that comes on you learning and getting trained. Also, these skills are valuable not only in business but also in personal relationship with the aspects of life. You get to understand how people get to react on different occasions, on how do people understand, and plus many other information that is based on personal development. Number three is on how network marketing can change you in terms of community and supportive. Now, if you join a network marketing company, it often means that you are going to become part of a supportive community of like-minded individuals like you who share and have a common goals. And this gives you the sense of belonging, where you can provide encouragement, you can motivate your people, you can actually give valuable connections to your friends and the people you relate with. Remember, all of you have a common goal to succeed in life, and network marketing gives you that opportunity to share with other people on how you are presenting, on how do you answer your question, or how do you relate with other people. So these are some of the things that you get to learn because all of you share that common vision that you have to support your friends, you have to support the people who are joining your team. Also, another thing is comes on flexibility. Personally, I joined a network marketing company when I was still a student. That means that it allowed me to have that time to actually balance on my studies at the same time to do this business. And if you look at other traditional business, you are going to notice that you have to give it your best, or you have to be there the full time for you to actually build your business, which is very different with this kind of business. In network marketing, you just have to set a time aside whereby you are going to decide at this given time, this is what I'm going to do and this is what I'm not going to be sharing. So that is how network marketing is very flexible when you want to start or share with other people. Another impact of network marketing is an opportunity for growth. Now, unlike traditional employment where advancement may be limited, network marketing offers you an opportunity for a potential to grow, whereby if you look at the success of network marketing is often directly correlated with the effort, dedication, and allowing an individual or allowing you to challenge yourself in terms of you want to strive and achieve higher levels of success, whereby, like for example, you might say that in this month I want to make this certain amount of money, or in this month I want to sell certain number of products. So those are some of the challenge. Those are some of the achievement you can actually challenge yourself that on this month I want to achieve this. And if you do that, you're going to find that you open your mind and you give it a chance to actually have that the common thinking out of your box on how can I achieve this achievement, or how can I get to this level, or how can I build my team and get to succeed or achieve certain results. Another thing is you need to understand that network marketing, it is worth it. When I look at when I joined network marketing, there are things that I've come to learn, there are things that I've, the mistakes that I've made and learned from them. So if you get to allow yourself to change and improve more, then you have an opportunity to actually grow. Lastly, there is another misconception that joining a network marketing company is actually joining a get rich quick scheme. One thing I need you to understand that is network marketing is not a get rich quick scheme. This is just a business like any other kind of business where you have to dedicate yourself, you have to build it, you have to learn on how it works, and you have to actually follow the steps for you to achieve the results. But it is worth it if you give it time, if you do the right thing, and you are actually going to achieve the higher levels of success in network marketing. As I finish up, network marketing can provide you a pathway to financial success, personal development, and a sense of community that can profoundly impact your life. Now, however, it is important to approach this business with caution because you need to have realistic expectations. You need to have that mindset of working very hard and willingness to learn and adapt. Remember, this is a business. If you think that it is an overnight result, then you might be wrong because you need to work, you need to give yourself an effort that you are going to achieve and actually succeed. But the beauty with network marketing is if you have someone who is there for you, who is supporting you, who is training you, who is coaching you, and also who is answering all the questions and helping you to succeed in areas that you might feel you are lacking behind, then you have a guarantee to actually succeed. But the good news is if you are interested in joining network marketing, my point is always very clear that I'm ready to support and help you succeed and see you achieve the great results the same way I was helped and trained and coached to succeed in this business. Your work is very simple. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact in the description section. Check it down below. Contact me, talk to me, ask me anything you want to know about network marketing, and I'm ready to help you to get started and answer all your questions. However, if you have any other question about how to grow in network marketing or how network marketing can actually change your life, let me know it in the comment section and I'll be able to answer you through making another video. But give this video a like if you have found something informative, and I'm ready to help you get started. Thank you for watching.